Do many prescribed drugs have unexpected side effects? The attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group explain. Sometimes when patients are issued prescriptions for new drugs, they may suffer unexpected side effects. This happens often, and more disturbing than that is the fact that, more than likely, many doctors have not been made aware of the possibilities of such side effects by the pharmaceutical companies manufacturing the drugs. Indeed, studies have shown that many drug company representatives do not properly inform doctors about the possible side effects of the medications that they are distributing to the physicians' offices. The research conducted via questionnaires through doctors in the United States, Canada, and France reveals that company representatives not only fail to warn doctors of common side effects from the use of the new medication, but also fail to warn them about possible contradictions. Moreover, they also neglected to identify the types of patients who should not use the drug in question. The research indicates that this happened in more than half of the representatives' visits, in spite of the fact that the law in all three countries required that the drug company's representatives inform the doctors about not only the benefits, but also the potential risks of the medication. In fact, while the researchers found that these representatives informed the doctors about possible side effects in just about 6% of the promotions, the absence of standard monitoring and evaluation disciplines regarding drug company visits renders it nearly impossible for federal regulators to track whether the existing disclosure laws are being complied with when the visit takes place. For a free phone consultation, contact attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group, PA in Hallandale Beach, Florida today. With the right legal team behind you, Fenstersheib Law Group, PA will fight the system with you to get the compensation you are legally entitled to.